Having built plenty of smart homes, I finally turned my studio into a smart office. I wake it up on my way. So the blinds are up and the light and printer are already on. All I have to do when I get to the office is to put a cup under my coffee machine and I'm ready to start work. Thanks to eNet, I also have a perfect lighting concept. The slats of my blinds automatically adjust to the level of sunlight outside. eNet Smart Home measures the energy consumption individually and identifies power-hungry appliances. This of course saves energy and money. My nephew recommended eNet to me. As an IT student, he values professional and well-designed systems. eNet offers high quality and service. My data traffic is always encrypted, even when I'm on the go. eNet Smart Home. Convenience I trust. By the way, all eNet servers are located in Germany. My data is protected at all times, so I can enjoy my new, more convenient lifestyle.